There comes a moment in every life when the world around you feels strangely unfamiliar. You wake up one morning and realize that the life you've built, the routines you repeat, the identity you cling to, none of it feels alive anymore. What once brought you comfort now feels hollow. What once made you proud now feels like a cage. It is a haunting realization. The smile on your face feels forced. The work you do feels meaningless. Even the conversations you have with people you love seem to echo with emptiness. Deep down, you sense it. Something inside you is breaking. And that break is not weakness. It is the signal that the version of you that has carried you this far cannot take you any further. At first, this truth terrifies you. You try to silence it. You bury it under distractions, scrolling endlessly, chasing temporary pleasures, telling yourself that this is just how life island, but the voice only grows louder. The more you resist it, the more suffocating the hollowness becomes. This is the beginning of transformation. Not the glamorous, polished kind you see on social media, but the raw, uncomfortable breaking apart of everything false. Because to become who you are meant to be, you must be willing to destroy who you have been. Destruction is not failure. Destruction is not surrender. Destruction is honesty. It is looking at yourself without excuses, without masks, and admitting this version of me is not enough for the life I want. That takes courage. More courage than pretending everything is fine. More courage than clinging to comfort. Because comfort is seductive. It whispers to you, stay the same, don't risk, don't change. But let me tell you something. Comfort is a prison disguised as safety. Every fear you hold on to, every toxic habit you repeat, every excuse you've used to justify staying small, these are not friends. They are chains. And those chains must be broken no matter how much it hurts. And it will hurt. Growth always does. The fire of transformation burns away the parts of you that no longer serve you. It feels like chaos. It feels like loss. You grieve the person you once were, the illusions that once sheltered you, the habits that once numbed the pain. But grief is not the end. It is the clearing of the soil, making space for something greater to grow. Perhaps you've spent years chasing approval, bending yourself into shapes to please others. Perhaps you've stayed in relationships, jobs, or routines that drained your spirit simply because they were familiar. Perhaps you've convinced yourself that this is good enough, even while a deeper voice inside you screamed for more. All of it must fall apart. Not because you are broken, but because you are being rebuilt. When you cling to the old self, you are clinging to limitation. You are saying yes to mediocrity and no to potential. But when you finally allow the walls to crumble, when you finally admit that the life you've been living is too small, you unlock the door to who you could truly be. And make no mistake, this process will not be gentle. It is not supposed to be. Transformation is not a quiet whisper. It is a storm that tears through everything false and leaves only what is real. It will feel as if the ground beneath you is giving way. You may feel vulnerable, exposed, even lost. But this is the mark of true change. This is what it feels like to shed the skin of the old self. You will face your shadows, the anger you've buried, the jealousy you've denied, the fear you've run from. They will rise to the surface, demanding to be confronted. But these are not signs of weakness. They are signs of healing. To face your shadows is to reclaim your power. Do not run from them. Look them in the eye. Because every time you confront a fear, you take back a piece of your strength. Every time you release an old belief, you make space for clarity. Every time you shatter an excuse, you step closer to freedom. Understand this. Breaking yourself is not about destroying your worth. It is about destroying your limits. It is not about giving up. It is about finally refusing to live small. When the illusions collapse, you will feel lost. But that lostness is sacred. It is proof that you are no longer who you were and not yet who you will become. That space in between, that is the birthplace of transformation. And though it feels unbearable, though it feels like chaos, it is not punishment. It is preparation. The fire that is consuming you now is not here to destroy you. It is here to refine you. Think of a blacksmith. The raw metal is placed into the fire, not to be destroyed, but to be shaped into something stronger, sharper, more powerful. The same is true for you. Your pain is forging you. Your discomfort is sculpting you. You are being broken open so that your true self can emerge. Yes, you will feel fear. Yes, you will want to run back to the comfort of the old self. But understand, this clinging to the old self is not safety. It is destruction. The only true safety lies in growth, in becoming more, in stepping into your potential. So when the cracks appear, do not patch them. Tear down the wall completely. Let the false self collapse. Let the illusions burn. Let the old identity die. Because only in the ashes can the new you be born. And in that moment, when everything familiar is stripped away, when you stand in the ruins of the life you thought you wanted, you will realize something powerful. This is not the end. This is the beginning. The shattering of the old self is not your downfall. It is your liberation. The death of who you were is the birth of who you are meant to be. So do not fear the breaking. Embrace it, because the breaking is the doorway. The breaking is the first step. The breaking is the moment when you finally stop hiding, stop pretending, stop settling. This is where your true life begins. Once the old self has been shattered, you find yourself standing in a strange silence. The chaos of destruction fades, and for the first time, you feel the weight of possibility. You are no longer trapped by the walls of who you used to be. The ground is clear, the ashes are still warm. And now, you face the most important question of your life. What will you build here? Transformation is not an accident. It does not happen because you simply want it. It happens because you choose it deliberately, consistently, relentlessly. Every thought, every decision, every action from this moment forward becomes a brick in the foundation of your new self. And here lies the truth. You cannot build the new with the materials of the old. You cannot step into greatness while holding on to the same excuses, the same fears, the same habits that once held you down. You must choose differently. You must act differently. You must think differently. Yes, it is terrifying. Yes, it feels unfamiliar, but change always does. And yet, deep inside, you already know the only way forward is through change. Every great life begins with a decision to change. Every dream realized, every breakthrough achieved, every story of victory you've ever heard, it all began with someone who decided, I will not remain the same. That decision is now in your hands. Understand this, small changes are not small. They are seeds. And seeds, when nurtured, can split concrete, can grow into forests, can reshape entire landscapes. Maybe it's as simple as waking up an hour earlier to face the day with intention. Maybe it's finally picking up that book, making that call, starting that workout, speaking that truth. Do not underestimate these small acts. They are the first bricks. And with each brick, you build momentum. But there is another truth you must accept. Not everyone will understand your rebuilding. Some people will resist your change because your growth threatens their comfort. They will try to pull you back into the person you used to be. They will say, you've changed, as if that is an insult. But remember this, you are not rebuilding to please them. You are rebuilding to save yourself. It is not your responsibility to change others. It is only your responsibility to change yourself. Stop waiting for people to understand you. Stop waiting for the world to approve of your growth. If you spend your life explaining yourself, you will lose yourself. The only validation you need is the fire inside you, the voice that says, keep going. And so you keep going. You wake up each day and choose discipline over comfort, courage over fear, intention over distraction. You begin to see obstacles, not as roadblocks, but as training grounds. Every difficulty becomes a weight that builds your strength. Every challenge becomes a teacher. Every failure becomes a stepping stone. Think of the sculptor and the stone. The stone resists. Every strike of the chisel looks destructive. But over time, the shape emerges, the masterpiece appears. That is you. Your struggles are chisels. Your setbacks are tools. They are not here to destroy you. They are here to reveal you. And remember this, you are not too late. You are not too old. The idea that your time has passed is a lie told by fear. Every sunrise is proof that you are being given another chance to start again. Do not waste it. Rebuilding is not glamorous. It is not instant. It is slow. It is difficult. It is messy. But it is worth every ounce of effort. Because each act of rebuilding is an act of defiance against the old self, an act of faith in the new self. Yes, you will stumble. Yes, doubt will return. Yes, the whispers of "you can't" will echo again. But now, you have something stronger. You have awareness. You know that the whispers are lies. You know that fear is not truth. It is simply resistance. And resistance is proof that you are growing. Think about this. Every great figure in history, every person you admire, every story that inspires you, they all began as ordinary people. They faced fear, they faced doubt, they faced setbacks. What made them extraordinary was not the absence of these struggles. It was their decision to rise anyway. You are no different. Every step you take now is a declaration, I will not go back. Every small victory is evidence that the old self is gone. Every habit replaced, every fear faced, every boundary set is proof that the rebuilding is real. And as you rebuild, something begins to shift. You start to notice clarity. You begin to feel energy where there was once exhaustion. You begin to speak truth where you once stayed silent. You realize that this rebuilding is not about becoming someone else. It is about uncovering the person you were always meant to be. You are not imitating. You are not pretending. You are creating from the inside out. This is the beauty of rebuilding. You get to choose. You get to design. You get to decide who you will become. And every day, every choice, every action is another brushstroke on the canvas of your life. So choose wisely. Choose courage over fear. Choose discipline over distraction. Choose truth over illusion. Because each choice, no matter how small, builds the foundation of the unstoppable self you are becoming. And when you look back, months from now, years from now, you will not even recognize the person you used to be. You will realize that the destruction was never the end, it was the beginning. The pain was never punishment, it was preparation. You were not breaking down, you were breaking open. And so, brick by brick, decision by decision, you rise. You are rebuilding with strength, with clarity, with intention. The ashes of the old self are behind you. The foundation of the new self is being laid beneath your feet. This is not easy. It was never meant to be. But it is worth everything, because what you are building now is not fragile. It cannot be shaken by doubt, by fear, by failure. What you are building now is you. And then something shifts. One day, you wake up and realize that the fears that once ruled you have grown quiet. The doubts that once chained you no longer control you. The old patterns, the old illusions, the old self, they have lost their grip. For the first time, you feel it. Clarity, strength, freedom. This is the reward of destruction. This is the gift of rebuilding. You are no longer the same. You are no longer trapped. You are no longer the person who hid behind excuses and settled for less. You have become someone new. Look at yourself now. You stand taller. Your voice is steadier. Your eyes see the world differently. You are no longer reactive. You are intentional. You no longer drift. You decide. You no longer beg for permission. You create. This is the unstoppable self. It is not a mask you wear. It is not a role you play. It is the real you, the one who has always been there, buried beneath layers of fear, doubt, and habit. The fire of transformation has burned those layers away. What remains is pure. What remains is power. Music swells, triumphant but steady. Understand this. Being unstoppable does not mean you will never face setbacks again. You will. Life will continue to test you. Old fears will try to whisper. Challenges will rise like storms. But the difference is this: you are no longer afraid of the storm. You have walked through fire. You have faced yourself at your weakest. You have been broken, and you have rebuilt. What can the world possibly throw at you now that is stronger than what you have already overcome? That is why you are unstoppable. Not because life will get easier, but because you have become stronger. Every setback now is a lesson. Every failure is feedback. Every challenge is a training ground. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is final. Everything is fuel. You see, the old self sought safety. The old self feared discomfort. The old self tried to avoid pain. But the new you understands discomfort is growth. Pain is transformation. Challenge is opportunity. You don't run from fear anymore. You run toward it. Because you know on the other side of fear is freedom. And this shift changes everything. Your relationships change. People who cannot accept your growth begin to fall away. And that is okay. Because the life you are building cannot fit into the small box of the old self. Your environment changes. The habits, the routines, the patterns that once kept you trapped no longer have a place in your life. Even your dreams change. The goals you once thought were impossible now feel like the bare minimum. Why? Because you finally believe. You finally see yourself clearly. The unstoppable self is not a fantasy. It is who you are when you stop living in fear, when you stop hiding, when you stop waiting for permission. And here is the most powerful truth. The unstoppable self was always within you. The strength you were searching for, the courage you admired in others, the clarity you thought was beyond your reach, it was always yours. You just needed to break apart the old self to uncover it. The fire did not give you power. It revealed the power that was already there. Now you move through the world differently. Obstacles no longer scare you. They excite you. Setbacks no longer break you. They shape you. Failure no longer defines you. It refines you. You are no longer a prisoner of the past. You are the architect of the future. And the future you are building is limitless. So hear me now. You are unstoppable. Not because you will never fall, but because you will always rise. Not because you never doubt, but because you move forward despite doubt. Not because life is easy, but because you are unbreakable. This is your time. This is your life. This is your transformation. Say it with me now. I will rise. I will grow. I will become unstoppable. Let these words sink into your soul. Let them carve themselves into your identity, because the old you is gone and the new you is here to stay. You no longer need to prove yourself to anyone. You no longer need to chase validation. You no longer need to hide. You are free, you are powerful, you are alive. And as you live this truth, the world around you changes. Opportunities appear, doors open, new paths reveal themselves. Why? Because the world always mirrors who you are becoming. The new you attracts a new life. But never forget, transformation is not a single moment. It is a lifelong practice. The old self will try to return. Doubt will whisper again. Fear will knock at your door. But now, you are ready. Every day, you break what limits you. Every day, you build what elevates you. Every day, you rise again. This is what makes you unstoppable. So when you look back on the ashes of the old self, don't see them as failure. See them as proof. Proof that you were brave enough to destroy what no longer served you. Proof that you were strong enough to rebuild. Proof that you were bold enough to rise. The old self is gone. The unstoppable self has emerged. Now, step boldly into the life you were always meant to live. Destroy the old, forge the new, and never look back. Because the power to rise, to grow, to become extraordinary has always been within you. Claim it, own it, live it. This is your time. This is your moment. This is your transformation.